Yo, what's going on YouTube? Thanks for stopping by. We've got another great episode on What's New Barbecue. You don't want to miss out. But first, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscription button and that bell so you can keep track of this barbecue journey. I love seeing all the comments and I love interacting with y'all. Make sure you leave me a comment down below in the comments after you watch this video. Let me know, what do you stuff your peppers with? But in today's video, we've got a collaboration with two awesome channels. We've got Cooking with Kirby over here, and we've got Grill Sergeant over here. I'll have their information down below in the description box, but we've got a ridiculous setup for some stuffed peppers. And the collaboration hashtag is actually Kinda Get a Witness. So if you're watching this and you said, hey, I want to put a stuffed pepper in as well, make sure you put that hashtag there. Or if you just want to see all the submissions, make sure you search for that hashtag. But without holding y'all up too long, guys, let's get to these peppers. Alright people, and I told y'all we had a pretty sweet setup for these stuffed peppers. As you can see, we've got us some jalapenos, and we're just going to do a little experimenting. We're going to use some sweet peppers. We got us some orange, some yellow, some red, and we actually started out with some Argentinian shrimp, and we just diced these up roughly, as you can see. In this bowl right here, we've just got some regular cream cheese, and to that I actually have a little bit of jalapeno cream cheese we're going to add into that as well. And as you can see, we've got a little bit of lime juice just to make that shrimp and cream cheese pop a little bit. And we're actually going to put some Monterey Jack cheese in our cream cheese as well. And of course, we're going to hit it with a little bit of smoke shake. And we got us some Heaven Made Products Amazin Cajun that's going to be in the mix as well. All of this is going to be awesome, and I haven't even mentioned yet bacon. So this is what we got going on. Let me go ahead and show you the first step to building these awesome peppers, which starts with our cream cheese here. And to our cream cheese, I'm going to add our other Philadelphia cream cheese, the jalapeno flavored one. Put a couple good spoonfuls of that in here. And that's just going to add extra flavor to everything. And since we added the sweet peppers, we need a little extra cream cheese. Just like that. That's good. Got me some Topo Chico. Alright, so we've got cream cheese in here. Let's go ahead and get our shrimp incorporated with our cream cheese so everything can get nice and together and collected. How much shrimp was this, Paul? Was it a pound?
Yeah, right at a pound.
So we got us a pound of Argentinian shrimp. And y'all know Paul, he'll be on camera here in a little bit. He's here and we're going to make us some stuffed peppers. So we've got Monterey Jack shredded cheese we're going to add in there as well, just to kick things up. And we're going to hit this all together with a little bit of Amazin Cajun, Heaven Made Products. If you haven't got your hands on Heaven Made Products yet, you need to. Their information will be down below in the description box. So that'll give a nice little pop of flavor there. Now we just mix. And this is going to be our filler for all of our peppers. So I'm going to get this nice and mixed up, and when I do, I'll catch back up with y'all. And we'll start assembling our peppers and get to the best part of some peppers, if you ask me, and probably if you ask everybody, which is the bacon. So we'll get right back to it after I get this stirred around. Alright, so this is what it looks like all mixed up here. We've got it nice and incorporated, that cream cheese and shrimp and the Amazin Cajun. And we tasted it a little bit off camera, and it's got a nice little kick to it with that jalapeno cream cheese and that Amazin Cajun. So now it's time to build our peppers. I'm going to build a jalapeno first. I'm going to make sure I get some of this shrimp in there. And the more you can get in there, the better. So hopefully you can see this. The more you get in there, the better. So keep just stuffing it in there until you can't really. Like I said, this is shrimp, so we want to get a lot of that shrimp in there. That's looking good. Just like that. And we're going to take our bacon. I'm actually going to wrap one around it, just like this here. Boom. So we got it covering there. Then we're gonna go the traditional way around it this way. This is kind of thick cut bacon, so we're gonna use a couple strips of bacon. The more bacon, the better. So there's that one. That one's good right there. We'll season that here in a minute. And I'm gonna make me a sweet pepper one now. Same filling. Got the shrimp. Kind of squeeze it out a little bit. Oh, we got a whole one in there. Kind of squeeze it out a little bit to make some space. These sweet peppers kind of want to close up on you. They're smaller, so they're not going to take near as much filling as the jalapeno. So let's get that bacon on there just like that. Wrap it around. This is going to be awesome, y'all. Bacon, wrapped, stuffed, sweet pepper, or jalapeno, stuffed with jalapeno cream cheese, regular cream cheese, and shrimp with some Cajun seasoning. So now that we got one of each made, I'm gonna go ahead and make the other ones off camera. But what we are gonna do is season these with some smoke shake. So this is a new bottle. Give it a little shake here to get it going. Open that up, and we're gonna season the bacon with the smoke shake. We're gonna put a whole lot on it so it can get a nice crispy skin and a good flavor. Just like that. Don't be scared to season it really good. And I'm gonna grab some toothpicks here in a second and show you how I kind of pin these guys up so they don't come loose on us. So we got these seasoned up, and I'm gonna get these toothpicks in them. We got some long toothpicks here. I'm gonna go right down the top and in through the bottom of the pepper there and catch both sides of the bacon. And I'm gonna do the same thing with our sweet pepper. Alright guys, we got old copper heated up. We're probably around 350. Let's go ahead and get our peppers onto the kettle. It's smelling awesome. We've got some applewood chips. So we're gonna get these jalapenos and sweet peppers onto old copper. Try and hold them together as much as we can. Man, it's already smelling good. Reminder, we hit these with a little bit of Amazin Cajun and some of the North Texas Barbecue Addict all-purpose rub, the smoke shake. And these are stuffed with 2 different kinds of cream cheese, one having some jalapeno in it, and then we've got some Monterey Jack cheese and all kinds of awesome stuff going on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these peppers on. Smells awesome. Golly. Just like that, we got our heat source over here, we got our peppers over here. Like I said, we're running about 300 to 350. I'm okay all the way up to 400 degrees. And since these peppers aren't all the way to the side over there, we're gonna have our vent right over our peppers right here. So that smoke goes right here and then goes right over our peppers before it leaves. So we'll check on these in 15 minutes. Alright guys, Paul's gonna get these peppers rotated around. Zeus is running around the back, he smells the goodness. Let me go ahead and get this camera closer so we can see what these peppers are looking like. What do you think, Paul?
I think they look great. I mean, that's a great color right there. And that's one thing that applewood really complements pork.
So we're just rotating these bad boys around, getting even cooking, and we'll touch them up with some seasoning. And we got about 10 more minutes before we do our next deal to these bad boys, babying them up a little bit more, which is we're gonna sauce them with our buddy from North Texas Barbecue Addicts, Big Salinas. He's got some barbecue sauce. His information will be down below in the description box. But this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna touch it up with some smoke shake. Man, it's already looking crispy. Smells like backyard barbecue, y'all.
That's right.
We're gonna go ahead and shut the Weber kettle down, and we'll check on these in 10 minutes and get them sauced up. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes longer, and we're gonna go ahead and get these bad boys sauced up. Like I told you a little bit ago, we're hitting them with some Big Salinas barbecue sauce. This is the spicy one, guys. I'll have the information down below in the description box. We're gonna go ahead and pour this into our bowl here, just so we can have something to use our brush in. Man, this is some good stuff. This is some good stuff, man. Let me get this camera closer and we're gonna get these peppers sauced up. Alright guys, let's check these peppers out. Golly. This bacon's looking awesome. Woo. It's time to get them sauced up with some of that spicy sauce. It's not overly spicy, so if you like just a little bit of heat, this is some good stuff for that right there. So go ahead and get these painted up.
It's good, nice and sweet, and kind of got that bite at the end, you know?
Yeah, it's got a nice little sweet initial flavor, and then a little kick at the end there. It's going to go perfect on these jalapenos and these sweet peppers. Golly, these are looking awesome. Like I said, we got about 5 minutes left. I don't even care if some of these are coming apart a little bit. They're still going to get eaten. Just like that, guys. Sweet peppers, jalapenos, wrapped in bacon, stuffed with shrimp, cream cheese, jalapeno cream cheese, Monterey Jack cheese, and seasoned up with some Cajun rub and some all-purpose. And now we're saucing them down with a little bit of our Big Salinas barbecue sauce. And we're making sure we get it all over. So we're gonna go ahead and finish soaking these bad boys down in this sauce. And then we're gonna shut it down for 5 more minutes. Let that applewood smoke really adhere to that sauce so we don't lose our smoke flavors. And then we'll be done. Boy, these smell awesome. I mean, look at them. The bacon's perfect. We got a nice cook on these peppers. It's smelling great, like I said. I'm gonna cut into this big one because why not? Always remember, if you put a toothpick in your jalapeno or your pepper, whatever you did, make sure you take it out before you serve it because your guests won't be thinking that it's there. Let's go ahead and cut into this. Just like that. Let's see what it's looking like on the inside. Man, check that out. Got that nice stuffing in there, that filling, that shrimp, and those cream cheese mixes. Golly. Let's see what we did with that. Bring that a little closer over here. Can y'all see that there? Let me move these out of the way. Man, it's smelling ridiculous, y'all. There we go. Let's cut right down the middle. Boy. And if you lose some of your filling, it really doesn't matter. You just dip it in. Just like that. Me and Paul are going to do an official taste test real quick, but go ahead and grab you one.
Absolutely.
Try this real quick, and then we'll get the camera turned around.
Man.
And then we'll try it on camera, but
yeah.
Cheers, man.
Cheers, man.
Alright, I'm going to get this camera turned around. We're going to taste it for y'all again.
Oh, yeah.
Alright guys, it's time to give these a try, like I said, officially for y'all on camera. Look at the color on these. Perfect cook. What do you think, Paul?
Golly, I'm just sitting here drooling like a dog waiting for these. Wow.
Let's go ahead. What do you want to try, the jalapeno or the sweet pepper first?
Let's do the jalapeno.
Trying to figure out which one he likes better.
Yeah.
I didn't going to say the sweet pepper, but he said jalapeno. Let's go give it a taste.
Yeah.
Let's go with this guy right here, right in the middle. Put it right in the drippings from that previous one we may or may not have already tried.
Yeah.
This knife cut straight through it.
No problem.
No problem. Oh, we got us a good piece of shrimp in this one.
Yeah.
We got us a good piece of shrimp in that one. Look at that. Perfect.
Perfect. Thanks, sir.
Jalapeno. Cheers, man. That's ridiculous. Wow. That jalapeno had a nice little kick to it.
Yeah.
I don't know if that was the Amazin Cajun or if that was just the Salinas barbecue sauce, the spicy, or like we said, if that jalapeno just had a little kick. Either way, that one was awesome.
That was delicious.
Man, Taste that shrimp,
Mm-hmm.
those cheeses. Man, it's awesome.
That mixture's on point.
All those seasonings are good. So that was the jalapeno. Now let's see the sweet pepper here. Let me show y'all up close. Look at that. Perfect. Let's cut this bad boy in half and see what we're working with here. Little dunk action.
Mm-hmm.
Want to dunk yours?
Yeah.
Little
Dunkaroo
action
here.
there.
There it is. All right.
Man, this is some good stuff. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Mm.
That's my favorite.
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I was just about to say, that jalapeno is awesome. That flavor that jalapeno has is awesome. The spiciness is awesome. But it takes away a little bit from the shrimp and the filling. That sweet pepper is just like a vessel. Like we just stuffed it with that shrimp, that cheese, and it doesn't overpower those flavors, but it still has a nice sweetness to it too, with that bacon. So
Yeah.
I'm with you on the sweet pepper, bro.
That's it.
Look, my hands are a mess. We got some drinks to get. Here in a second, when we clean up, we'll take a shot, and then we'll get out of here, so y'all stay tuned. Appreciate y'all for stopping by. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscription button and that bell so you can keep track of this barbecue journey. Paul, where can they find you and your crew at?
Hey y'all, you can get us up there at Paul and S Barbecue. We got Instagram, we're on Facebook, so give us a like.
Y'all go check them out. Tell them What's New Barbecue sent you, and join the North Texas Barbecue Addicts. Cheers, brother.
Cheers to that.
Cheers, everybody. Y'all keep on barbecuing.